Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Mameka. My name is Fabiyolla Jessica, and in this video, I'm going to present my thesis proposal entitled Conversational Implicature in 73 Questions with Selena Gomez video. The presentation will be divided into three parts. The first part is about the introduction. The second part is about the related studies, a review of literature, and the theoretical framework. And the last part is about the research methodology. In the introduction, we have background of the study. In a conversation, there are times when the speakers do not always say what they really mean when they talk. This means that their utterance has implied meaning. In linguistics, there is a branch named pragmatics that studies implied meaning in utterance. Because this study will be focusing on conversation, the study will analyze conversational implicature found in the 73 questions with Selena Gomez video. And then the statements of the problems are: what are the types of implicature found in 73 questions with Selena Gomez video? And the second one is, what are the meanings implied in the video? The statements of the problems leads to the goals of the study, which are to figure out the types of conversational implicature found in 73 questions with Selena Gomez video, and to identify the meanings implied. And then we move to the chapter 2, where in the related studies, the writer shows 3 studies related to conversational implicature. The first one is Conversational Implicatures of Indonesian Lawyers Club program on TV1 that was conducted by Lubis in 2017. Using qualitative content analysis and Grice's theory of cooperative principle, the result is 4 types of maxim violation found as maxim of quantity, quality, manner, and relevance. The maximum quantity appears the most in this program. The last result is the reasons of the dominant type deal with to show up pain and core of the problem to the audience, to save one face, to defend certain group, and blame the government. And the second study is Conversational Implicature in Saha-Sahan Talk Show of Gugun episodes that was conducted by Musyahda in 2016. Using qualitative method and Grice's theory of cooperative principle and conversational implicature, the study shows the result, which is the most frequently maxim flouted occurs 10 times in maxim of religion, or 48% from the total maxims. And the last study is Conversational Implicatures in a Drama Script by Sid River that was conducted by Iswahyuni in 2019. Using descriptive, qualitative, and Grice's theory, resulting 11 out of 35 excerpts belong to observing the maxims, and the 24 excerpts belong to non-observance of the maxims, especially flouting the maxims. Moreover, the result shows that the number of flouting the maxims of quantity, quality, relation, and manner, respectively, were 6, 20, 3, and 3. We move to the review of literature. Pragmatics studies a word or an utterance from the context. Implicature, it is when an utterance has hidden meaning. Utterance, according to Huang, is a particular piece of language. Conversation occurs when the speaker and the listener take turns to talk and to listen. And then conversational implicature, according to Black, it is the identical utterance spoken or on different circumstances, possibly has dissimilar meanings that occur from a blend of language and situation. Conversational implicature has 3 types. The first one is generalized conversational implicature that does not need any specific knowledge to understand the meaning of the utterances. And the second one is particularized conversational implicature, needing certain knowledge in order to understand the context of the meanings of utterances. And the last type is scalar conversational implicature, which refers to affirming the scale of utterances that is showing the amount of one thing mentioned in utterances spoken. All these types are from Yule's theory. Another implicature besides conversational implicature is conventional implicature. According to me, conventional implicature does not relate to the content and it can change. And then there is context. According to Yule, there are 2 kinds of context. The first one is physical context, which the context can be seen when there are words or phrases. For instance, the word bank written on a wall of a building. The people who see the word bank can tell that it is a place for savings and loan money. and anything related with financial services. And the second type is linguistic context, which is when a group of words used in a similar phrase or sentence. For instance, bank. In this word, if this word is used in a sentence with the words abrupt or overground, people can tell what bank is meant in the sentence. It is the H of a river. And then theoretical framework. The study will be using Yule's theory of implicature to examine 73 questions with Selena Gomez's video. Now we move to the research methodology. The study will be using qualitative method, and the data will be taken from a video on YouTube entitled 73 Questions with Selena Gomez from Vogue channel. And here are the steps of collecting the data. The first one is the writer needs to find 73 questions with Selena Gomez video and then download the video. While watching the video, the writer will observe the utterances containing implicature while taking notes. And then the writer will sort which data supports the problem being discussed in the study. And the last one, all the data collected will be analyzed using the theory. And then data analysis. The first step is the writer needs to save the data in one file and then classify the data into the type of conversational implicature and analyze it based on the types of implicature using Yule's theory. And the fourth step is the writer will identify the meanings implied. And the last one, the writer will elaborate the data by explaining the implied meaning. And here is the references from this thesis proposal, which leads to the end of this presentation. Thank you for your attention.